So we start out today's video with this big chop transformation. Stylist cuts both ponytails off and cuts the hair into a chic, sleek, and polished bob haircuts. Very nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at some bob haircuts and layered hairstyle ideas. Here we have another beautiful bob style. This one features more of a mini bob silhouette. This is such a gorgeous, modern, and chic hairstyle. I love it. And then we have another beautiful bob here. She has that ginger color for the hair shade. Very nice. This bob does feature a part down the center and the beautiful blunt ends. Next up, we see someone with very long hair. The stylist cuts off just a tad bit of her strands, and he's going to be doing a layered haircut here. Wow. Absolutely stunning transformation. She does have more of that voluminous look and feel. Beautifully done. And then we once again see someone with long hair. She's got a ginger hair coloring as well. And the stylist will also be adding in some layers for this transformation. Beautiful curtain bangs to frame out the face. Very nice. I love her color of her hair. It's so pretty. And then we see someone else who has some gorgeous red hair. Stylist kind of touches up the color here. Cuts the hair into a bob. Oh, this is beautiful. And I thought I loved the color before, but wow, what a stunning angled bob makeover. Very nice. Alright, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.